Earth shouldn't exist, and neither should you. Because if just a few events in Earth's history unfold differently, one asteroid misses, one collision never happens, one planet forms differently, your entire bloodline disappears. Not metaphorically, literally. Right now, you're standing on a planet with liquid oceans, breathable air, stable temperatures, and life that has survived for billions of years. That sounds normal, until you realize we've never found another confirmed world known to host life. Which raises a strange question. Was Earth inevitable? Or did humanity win the greatest lottery in cosmic history? The universe is remarkably good at creating places where life can't survive. Most of space is freezing cold. Many planets are scorched by radiation. Others are crushed beneath toxic atmospheres. Even our own solar system feels hostile. Mars became a frozen desert. Mercury is baked by the sun. And Venus is perhaps the most unsettling example, because Venus is often called Earth's twin. It's nearly the same size, formed from similar materials, and developed right next door. Yet today, its surface is about 465 degrees Celsius, roughly 870 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. In fact, Venus is even hotter than Mercury, despite being farther from the sun. Somehow, two worlds that started similarly ended up completely different. Earth didn't just become habitable, it somehow avoided becoming Venus. And that may have been its first stroke of luck. But there's more. Earth also happens to orbit within a relatively narrow region around the sun, where liquid water can exist for billions of years. Move closer, and the oceans could eventually evaporate. Move farther away, and they could freeze. Life, as we know it, depends on that balance. Earth didn't just become habitable, it stayed habitable. And that may be even more remarkable. But Earth's biggest stroke of luck may have happened before the planet was even finished forming. Roughly 4.5 billion years ago, a Mars-sized world slammed into the young Earth. The collision was unimaginably violent. Entire regions of both worlds were blasted into space. The debris eventually merged into something familiar: the Moon. If that collision never happens, Earth may evolve very differently, and complex life may never appear. In a very real sense, your existence may depend on one ancient cosmic crash. But Earth wasn't finished surviving. Around 66 million years ago, an asteroid struck what is now Mexico. The impact wiped out roughly 75% of all species, including the dinosaurs. If that asteroid misses Earth, dinosaurs may continue ruling the planet for millions of years. Mammals remain small. Humans may never evolve at all. History changes completely. Again and again, Earth survived events that could have erased our future, which makes our existence feel less inevitable and more accidental. At this point, you might be thinking, if Earth got lucky, surely other planets got lucky too. Maybe. But there's a problem. The fact that you exist makes this question harder to answer. Because every intelligent civilization would naturally find itself on a planet where life succeeded. If Earth were uninhabitable, there would be nobody here to notice. This is called observer bias. It's a bit like winning the lottery and then asking, what are the chances someone wins? The fact that you're holding the winning ticket doesn't tell you how likely it was. Your existence guarantees you'll find yourself on a habitable world, but it tells you nothing about how rare that world might be. Earth could be common. Earth could be extraordinarily unusual. We still don't know. And that's one of the biggest unanswered questions in science. Now zoom in from planets to people. Every person alive today stands at the end of an absurd chain of successful outcomes. Earth remained habitable. Life survived. Mass extinctions came and went. Complex organisms evolved. Humans appeared. And your ancestors survived everything history threw at them, across nearly 4 billion years of uninterrupted survival. If any major link in that chain breaks, your family never exists. Your friends never exist. Every memory you've ever had disappears before it can happen. The reality you're experiencing right now never happens. Which means your existence isn't just a human story. It's a planetary story, a deep-time story, and ultimately a cosmic story. So maybe the real question isn't whether Earth is rare. Maybe the real question is how we should feel if it is. Because if Earth truly is a 1 in a billion accident, then every city, every civilization, and every human life exists because an impossibly long chain of unlikely events never broke. Not once. And Earth may not even be the biggest reason you're here, because one ancient collision created an object that has been quietly shaping this planet for billions of years, the Moon. And without it, Earth might never have become the world we know today. That's where this story goes next.